Hi everyone, in this section, I'm going to show a really handy PCB design tip, how to set thermal relief style for a single pad individually. Let's take a look at the PCB screen first. Right now, we have a big copper port on the board. By default, the pads connected to this port follow the global settings, means they either use thermal relief or direct connection based on the copper port's rules. But in real design, some pads need something different. For example, high current pads, test points, or paths that require extra reliable soldering. We might not want them to follow the general copper port rules. In these cases, we can set connection style just for that path. Here's how you do it. First, in the PCB editor, select the path you want to modify. Once selected, the path properties panel shows up on the right. Scroll down to find the option for path connection. By default, it's usually set to general, which just follows the copper port. Now switch it to custom. Once you do that, the specific connection style option appears below. Here, you can pick the extra style you want, like spoke or direct. You could also set no connection. Once you set it, this pad will use your chosen style independently, without being affected by the copper port's global rules. You can see the effect immediately. The pad's connection to the copper port changes, while the surrounding pads stay as the same. This way, you can easily optimize key pads for better soldering, higher current capacity, or specific process requirements without changing the rule for the core copper port. This method is especially useful for power pads, MOSFETs, or interface pads, so definitely keep it in mind for your project. That's it for this tip. See you in the next one.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.